Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Element, a secure Discord alternative so you can stop unwanted messages and maintain your privacy. Now first, you want to open Element and go to the chat or room where the person you want to block is messaging you. Now, what you want to do here is you want to click on their username or profile picture to open their profile. And then from here, once you're in their profile, you want to look for the ignore option right over here. Click that and then go ahead and click ignore once again. After you ignore them, they won't be able to send you direct messages and you won't see their messages in rooms you share. And don't worry, the ignore option is private, so the other person won't get notified that you blocked or ignored them. And if you change your mind later, you can always unblock them by going back to their profile and clicking the unblock option. And basically, that's it. That's how you block someone on Element to keep your chat safe and stress free. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.